Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Carrot Juice Challenge, Part 2. In today's video, we are making a bright, refreshing, and super healthy drink, carrot orange juice. This juice is not only delicious, but also packed with powerful nutrients that help boost your immunity, improve skin glow, and keep you energized throughout the day. Let's start with the ingredients. You will need 2 fresh carrots, 2 juicy oranges, half a lemon, and a small piece of ginger. You can also add a teaspoon of honey for extra taste. First, wash the carrots properly and peel them. Then cut them into small pieces for easy blending. Now peel the oranges and remove any seeds. Fresh oranges add natural sweetness and a tangy flavor. Add the chopped carrots into a blender. Next, add the orange pieces. Now add the ginger and squeeze in fresh lemon juice. If needed, add a little water to help blend smoothly. Blend everything until it becomes smooth and well mixed. Now strain the juice using a sieve if you prefer a smooth texture, or enjoy it as it is for extra fiber. Pour the juice into a glass. Look at that beautiful bright color, fresh, vibrant, and full of goodness. You can garnish it with an orange slice or a small carrot stick. This juice is rich in vitamin A and vitamin C, which supports eye health, glowing skin, and a strong immune system. It's perfect for your daily routine, especially during this carrot juice challenge. Try this recipe at home and enjoy the natural freshness. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy juice recipes. See you in part 3 of the Carrot Juice Challenge.